Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Subscribe my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful crochet earphone organizer. I am using grey and mustard color yarn, a crochet hook, scissors and some hot glue. Let's start with the grey part first. Hold yarn like this and make a slip knot. Now make 15 chains. After that, next we will do single crochet stitches across the chain. Continue making single crochet stitches. Once you reach at the end, take a turn and continue making single crochet stitches in a circle to build up the strap. After the row complete, take turn again and continue making single crochet stitches. Complete this row with single crochet stitches. After completing the row, make 12 chains on top for lock. And slip stitch with a single crochet. Here we got a gap for lock. Continue the same single crochet pattern till the end. When you are done, slip stitch to finish. Cut the extra yarn. Take your crochet hook and hide the ends neatly. Now let's move on the flower. Take grey yarn again and make a slip knot. And create 5 chains on top. Join the first and last chain with a slip stitch to form a small circle. Make 1 chain on top. Then make 5 single crochet stitches inside the circle. Slip stitch in the end. Now cut the grey yarn and join the mustard color yarn. For joining new color, make a slip knot. Tie the grey yarn. Now make 2 chain on top for double crochet stitch. In the same space, make 3 double crochet stitches. Then slip stitch in the next chain. Repeat this pattern again. 2 chain on top, then 3 double crochet stitches in the same space. Then slip stitch in the next chain. Repeat this pattern again until you have a total of 5 petals. Slip stitch to finish. Cut the extra yarn. hide the leftover yarn neatly with your crochet hook. Here your flower is ready. Now take your gun glue and attach the flower on the grey base. And that's it. Your crochet earphone organizer is ready to use. It keeps your earphone tangle-free, organized, and adds a touch of handmade beauty to your everyday accessories. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe for more amazing crochet ideas. Allah Hafiz.